Welcome to Graceman Online Tutorial. We are a brand with a total difference in online classes.
I gave an hemisphere and a cone, okay, and then we are asked to find the volume of the shape. So now this question is quite easy. All we just need to do is to find the volume of the cone and add it to the volume of the hemisphere. Since we are given everything, the height is given, the diameter is given. So from the diameter, we know that the radius is, when you divide the diameter by 2, you have 3 centimeter. Now the diameter of the cone is the same thing with the diameter of the hemisphere. So the radius of the hemisphere is also 3 centimeter. Now the total volume of the shape is k pi. Okay, now k is an integer, that is a number. All right, now we will find the volume of the cone first. The volume of the cone is given already here as 1 over 3 pi r square h. So we just substitute 1 over 3 times our pi will still remain, okay, multiply by 3 raised to power 2 multiply by the height. All right, the height is 10, so we have 10 here. So now by dividing, you say 3 goes here 1, 3 we cancel one of the 3 here, so we'll be left with 3 raised to power 1 here, which when we multiply we are going to have 30, and this 3 times 10 is 30, then the pi is still there. So this is the volume of the cone. All right, so now we're going to find the volume of the hemisphere. First of all, what we just need to do is we can find the volume of the sphere. Okay, we can find the volume of the sphere. The volume of the sphere is given already as 4 over 3 pi r cube. All right, so from there we do a substitution. 4 over 3 pi times 3 raised to the power of 3. So 3 raised to the power of 3. So these 3 we cancel one of the 3's here, so we have 3 raised to power 2. Now this is the same thing as 4 pi times, now 3 raised to power 2 is 9, so that gives us 36 pi. Okay, 4 times 9 is 36, so 36 pi. But we are actually looking for the volume of hemisphere, and hemisphere is just the half of a sphere. So the volume of the hemisphere is simply 36 pi divided by 2, and that will give us 18 pi. So now the volume of the shape is the volume of the cone, which is 30 pi, plus the volume of the hemisphere. So adding the two together, we have 48 pi. So 48 pi centimeter cube. So it means that the value of K, okay, because they say the volume is what? K pi. So that means our K is 48. You know, if this is compared to K pi, it means the value of K is 48.